Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. In this case, it's Polybag 30572, and this is the Creator Race Car. If y'all enjoy this kind of video and want to see more of them, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I am doing one of these videos a day, every day for the foreseeable future. So if you like this kind of thing, please subscribe, and also click the little bell thing to turn on notifications so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Also, if you want to build along with me, I've included links in the description for where you can find this particular set on Amazon and on Bricklink, and also I've included the brick set link for this set if you just want to get information about it. Oh, there's also in the description there's a link to a Google Docs spreadsheet that has links to all of my LEGO Polybag build-alongs as well as upcoming ones. And that has links for where you can find them and all that other stuff too, if you are interested. So, anyway, all that info is down there in the description. Alright, so let's put this thing together. I gotta tell you, one thing that I've been liking is I like this color. I think this is a neat color of brick. So, departing from the norm with these, we aren't starting with a 2x4, we're starting with a 2x6. We got that, and then we flip it over, and then we're going to do all these side panels. Alright, so side panel, side panel. I gotta tell you, of the little Polybag sets, I think I like the little cars and the little micro spaceships. Actually, I kind of like all of them. I know that might sound a little weird, but I have most of them I have enjoyed so far. So let's see. We gotta do the. I guess that's gonna be the back. So this will be the back, I'm guessing. So we have a couple of little cheese slopes, like so. And we have two of these, and I'm assuming these are intended as exhaust, maybe. We got that one, and we got this one. Managed to drop. And then we got another cheese slope right there. Alright. So this is going to attach to the back part, like so. Alright, it's starting to look like a car now, or at least suggestive of being a car. And got a pair of 2x3s going across the top, like so. And then we get our side panels. Side panel and a side panel. That's that. Oh. Alright, so this goes on the side, and this goes on this side, like so. And these go on top, like so. And we have our back wheel well right there. This is going to be our kind of spoiler, I'm guessing. So this. And this. And this. So we got that. And that goes right here. Huh. Alright, the back looks pretty good so far, doesn't it? That's cool. Alright, fair enough. Now, it says pop the wheels on, but we'll wait on that. So, let's see. We're going to do the front. And the front is going to be one of these nice, cool blue double cheese wedges. And then 2 of the red cheese wedges. Like so. And like so. And so this goes on the front. Right there. Like that. And then this piece goes right here with the grill. So we got that. That's kind of neat looking. Definitely a car front. That goes right there. Alright. So this goes here. And this one goes here. And then a bunch of these go everywhere else. So 1, 2, 3. This one goes in the middle, in the back. And then 4. That's 5 actually. 6 and number 7. Alright, so that takes care of all of these. And now, let me slide this out of the way a little bit. These go over here. This gives us the front. And in the front, like that. And then these are going to cover the back wheel wells. It's looking good so far. We got that, we got that. Okay. This is a weird choice. Y'all see that? See right there? It's got a 2 and a 1. And I feel like that's weird. So, okay, the 1 goes here, like that, and the 2 goes here like this. That is super weird. Alright. Strange, but okay. And that goes there, like so. And then we got this one. It's in the middle right here, like that. This one is is right there. Like that. And then we have our super shiny metal things for engine, I guess. Engine-y bits. And one more little engine piece. Maybe one more engine piece. Yeah, there we go. Alright, and so we got this and this. So this is going to go here, like so. And this is going to be our spoiler in the back. Right there. And then we got this, like that, and this, like this, and we got two more tiles. Alright. This is cool looking. What do you think? And then all we gotta do is we pop on our wheels that we saved from before. And the last wheel. That's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, here are the extra pieces we had left, if you're interested. I like this one. This is a neat little car. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.